How are you gonna start it?
It's already started.
Oh.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be something a little bit different. I decided to do a bake with me with a special guest.
My name's Giovanni. Yeah.
This is my nephew, and we're going to be baking
Two different.
Okay, let's just restart. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I'm doing a bake with me with my nephew.
Hi guys, my name's Giovanni.
I thought it would be fun to do a bake with me, and specifically focusing on pumpkin spice things. So we just went to Target earlier, and there was obviously displays and on displays of pumpkin spice things, and this was in the baking section. So I thought we would go ahead, bake these, and
do a video.
Yeah, and do a taste test at the end to tell you guys if they're good or not. So I got the pumpkin bread.
I got the pumpkin cookies.
Yeah, so we got that, and then we also got some chocolate chips
to put in the bread.
Yeah, to put in the bread. Maybe we can sneak some into the cookies. Maybe. So we got those two, and yeah.
Let's get started.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the pumpkin bread, it says you'll need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. It says to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we already did, and to grease the pans. So this pumpkin bread makes 2 loaves. I wonder if I could... It smells good. I wonder if I can split it and only do 1 loaf. I guess we'll just be stuck with 2 loaves of bread. Maybe we'll do some with chocolate chips, some without.
Okay.
And then this, it says you need a half a stick of butter.
And 5 eggs, right?
No, 1 egg here.
This
is the 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Okay.
And then a half a cup of water.
Half a cup.
And to preheat to 375, which we already did. We need softened butter for this. So do 1/4 of water, and this combined eggs, water, oil. So this calls for 4 eggs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and crack 4 eggs.
Okay, water. 1 egg. 1 egg to go in here.
Can you crack an egg?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. And then I need 1 cup of water. Can you give me 1 cup?
cup?
So I don't have any vegetable oil, so I'm just gonna put olive oil. It's fine.
Want to pour it in?
Yeah. Looks like it's been through something. So you need a half a cup.
Half a cup? I'm using this.
I don't even know how to measure half a cup of butter.
We don't got no sticks of butter?
No. I think this should be fine.
Okay. Give me it. Oh.
Ooh. So you gotta mix everything. Probably get a bigger
Spoon. Is it supposed to look like this? Start getting hard?
Yeah, show the camera.
Okay.
This is what it's looking like.
This is what it's looking like.
Alright, I'm just gonna mix this.
It's hard.
No, because you're making cookies.
Oh.
Oh, it brings the can too.
Oh, that's cool.
So it comes with the can too. So make sure you have a can opener if you're doing this. Okay. So what questions do you have?
I don't even know.
So let's do a get to know Giovanni then.
Okay.
So tell them about yourself. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Uh-huh.
Do I tell them my birthday or something?
You can.
I'm 9 years old. My birthday is March 5th.
which is
her anniversary.
Yes, to the day, the exact day.
The exact day of my birthday.
Like, I was in the hospital with his mom, so I was late to school that day because I
Tell the
was
story.
too busy watching him be born. Well, I was forced to actually be there, and I was like, I want to go to school. I want to go to school. Blah blah blah. And then so I ended up going to school after he was born, and I went late. And then that is the day that David decided to
ask her out.
Yeah, asked me to be his girlfriend.
It's looking pretty good. Splashing.
Sorry. It's liquid, that's why. I probably should have an apron on, huh?
Yeah, but you don't got no apron. Ask me more questions.
Tell them what do you like to do in your free time as a 9-year-old boy? What do you like to do?
Play Xbox.
It's an epidemic, guys. A real epidemic. This is like gonna be so much bread.
You guys know how it looked before. This how it looks after.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, smell it.
I can't smell. I don't know what I'm smelling. If I'm smelling the pumpkin puree of this, or what?
It looks pretty good. This is the chocolate. We're gonna put it in. Okay.
Should get your thing ready.
What, my plate that I have to put it in?
Yeah.
Can I mix that one?
Yeah. You got it all over you.
Okay. I'll mix it.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the pan ready. Anyways, continue telling them about what you love to do.
Yeah.
What do you like to play specifically?
Oh, I like to play Xbox. I like to play Fortnite.
And that's it. So I'm just gonna use the butter that's left over and butter this pan to get it ready for the bread.
It smells really good, actually.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add the chocolate chips after you're done mixing. Or should we do half and half? One with chocolate, one without? Or should we do
we should do half and half.
I don't have 2 cake pans. I mean 2 bread ones. So we can just use...
this one's almost done.
I'm gonna just use one of these. So this will be for the one with chocolate?
Yeah. I'm gonna show them what this one looks like.
Yeah, sure.
This one is big. This one's watery, so I can't really tip it over. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I can't tip it over. It's all gonna spill out, Tubbs.
Yeah. You can go ahead and
pour it in here.
Start pouring some.
Okay.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Hold the spoon. Wait, wrong way. You see how that has the spout?
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. Don't spill it.
Pour half of it?
Yeah, fill it like halfway maybe. I put a lot of butter. Wait. Just pour it in the middle, baby.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Hold on. You just could go like this.
No, you're getting butter in it. Should this be enough?
I think that would be enough for hair.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's just go ahead. Put
that
this to the side. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and add chocolate chips.
Okay, so how much you want to do? Like half of it?
Yeah, that's probably enough.
Okay, I'll mix it.
We're just eyeballing here, guys. But yeah, my nephew really wanted to film a video today. So I'm glad we went to Target. You see, we got a lot of good ideas.
I didn't even want to go to Target.
See? Because he's addicted to his video game. He wanted to stay here and play Fortnite.
Okay, that's addicted. Who doesn't play Fortnite these days?
I don't.
Except kids. Kids play Fortnite. Kids play Fortnite.
Maybe we could put more chocolate chips. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is definitely not going well for my diet, I just want to say.
I'm on a diet.
I mean, I'm trying to not eat too much so I can get skinnier.
So like this?
Yeah. Are you gonna put some in your cookies? Ooh, that's a lot.
Like that.
Yeah, okay. You leave it like that, yeah. We're ready to pour again.
Wait.
"45 minutes.
45.
Okay, so we're gonna put this in there for 45 minutes. So you just shake it out, make sure it gets all spread out. This is what the one with chocolate chips is looking like. It's looking great. I'm putting this in.
Okay. Done.
That's one. Now we gotta make the cookies. I don't actually know if you need to do it with your hand. I don't know. I don't think so.
This is not working out.
You didn't even mix it all the way.
This?
Yeah, you see, look.
What?
I should have checked this beforehand. Okay, these cookies are they're not gonna be the prettiest, but I'm sure they'll taste good. No, what are you doing?
Start doing that.
No, it needs to be a ball. Because it's gonna just like flatten out and then it's gonna touch the other ones. No,
okay, like this?
You're doing it too close. You just
How is it supposed to go down by itself like it?
You just gotta
We have to leave it there?
Yeah, like it's supposed to be round, a round ball. So we're gonna go ahead and put these ones. We did 6 large ones on here into the oven now.
Okay, let's get this other pan. Where's the other pan?
Did we even turn on the freaking timer for the cake?
No. That's good.
Yeah. Okay, so just leave it into a ball. Don't smother it. Not too close to the top either.
What the fuck y'all doing?
We're baking.
Yeah, we're making a video.
Are you making a video?
No, get out of the video. Everyone's gonna unsubscribe now.
Roast him. Roast him.
I don't think we have space to put this in with the other batch right now, so we're just gonna let that bake, and then we will be back when it's all done to show you guys what they came out looking like.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Everything is ready now. We've let the cake cool. This is what it looks like. This is the chocolate one. We added the frosting. The frosting does not look the best, but we tried.
Yeah, it looks ugly. Yeah, it does.
And then we have the regular without the chocolate chip. I already cut us some pieces. This is what's left of the cookies because we have a cookie monster. Which one do you want to try first?
Cookies.
Okay, go ahead. I already tried it, so.
You go ahead too.
I already know it tastes delicious. How do it taste?
What?
Can you taste the pumpkin? You have nothing to say, you have nothing to contribute.
It's good.
But you just put it back. Why'd you put it back? You have nothing to say.
It's okay. It's okay.
It tastes like the pumpkin scone I had earlier. The Starbucks pumpkin scone, but without that big ass frosting on top. And the chocolate chips really just add a little zhuzh. Alright, I'm gonna try the pumpkin bread. Put a little bit of the frosting. The pumpkin puree really, you can taste it.
This one's good.
So we trying to say the cookies were not?
Cookies are good, but this one's better.
And this is what the chocolate one looks like. Let's cut this.
Wow.
Giovanni's adding nothing to this video right now.
It's good.
That's all you gotta say? Does it taste like pumpkin?
Yeah, it tastes like pumpkin, but chocolate. A lot of chocolate.
I put hella chocolate chips in that one. What would you recommend out of all 3? What's your favorite? The one with the chocolate?
Uh-huh.
So the pumpkin chocolate chip bread.
Look at we could do all three of them. Like
Yeah,
that
so
was
what's
my-
your favorite?
That's my favorite. This is my second.
No one
favorite.
can see it, so you have to say it.
Okay, the chocolate pumpkin bread, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's my
Number one.
first favorite. The regular pumpkin bread is my second. The cookies are gonna be right there.
Well, the cookies are the ones that you made, so.
Cookies are nasty.
I'm gonna taste like shit.
What? Okay, guys, so that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
And I will see you in my next one. Bye.